Most people get this wrong. They assume all online banks are the same. But the surprising truth about Charles Schwab Bank is that it combines zero-fee accounts, global access, and excellent customer service in a way that few competitors match. Charles Schwab Bank offers checking and savings accounts with no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide. This is a huge benefit for travelers or people who frequently withdraw cash from different banks. The Schwab mobile app is intuitive and allows you to deposit checks, transfer funds, and manage accounts easily. Alerts for low balances, large transactions, and account activity help you stay on top of your finances. Another major advantage is customer support. Schwab offers 24/7 phone support, live chat, and in-app messaging. Customers report quick responses and knowledgeable representatives, which is crucial for online banking where there's no physical branch. Investing integration is a bonus. Since Schwab is also an investment firm, you can easily link your brokerage accounts to your checking account for seamless money management. This makes it ideal for people who want both banking and investing under one platform. On the downside, while the bank has no monthly fees, some services like wire transfers may still incur costs. Additionally, although the mobile app is robust, features like budgeting tools are less advanced compared to specialized apps. In conclusion, Charles Schwab Bank is perfect for individuals seeking a flexible, fee-free online banking experience with strong global access and reliable customer support. Its integration with investment accounts makes it especially attractive for those looking to manage both banking and investing in one place. Subscribe for more honest online banking reviews and tips to choose the right bank for your lifestyle.